Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make macros to use in Fortnite. Just a side note, do not use any third-party software for the macros or else you will be banned. Software that is okay to use to make macros is the software that came with your products. Let's get right into the video. Since I use Razer Synapse, I'm going to be showing you how to make a macro with that. So when you open Razer Synapse, you're going to want to scroll down until you see macro, and then click on macro, and then right here you can press this and it will create a new macro. And you can either record your actions or you can insert them, which is easier in my opinion, but you can do it either way. So I already have my macro set up right here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make it with this macro right here. So what you're going to want to do is press insert and then press keystroke. You just have to use the keystroke that you use to edit in Fortnite, which is F for me. And then on the first one, you want to put, if you want the fastest macro possible, put 0.01 seconds. And then insert again, and mouse button, and it should appear right here. So you're going to want to drag it down so that it looks like this. And then you're going to want to put 0.01 seconds for this one too. Next, if you have scroll wheel reset, click mouse button, drag this one back up. Go down to where it says scroll down or scroll up, or whichever one you have found. This one should be left click. It'll reset the delay once you put it. So just put it in like that, and once you have scroll down, put scroll down at 0.01 seconds, and then you'll have to put another one for scroll down, so you can just insert mouse button, scroll down, and it should be set at 0 seconds here. So it should look like this once you're done setting it up. If you don't have scroll wheel reset, then you can just delete these and then insert and whichever button you have to reset, and put those in right here instead of the scroll wheel reset. After you're done with that, you want to add a keybind to your macro. So press the plus and then go to whichever device you want the macro to be used with. So I'm going to go to my keyboard right here, and on playback option you can either put play while assigned key is pressed or toggle continuous playback on off using assigned key. This is my preferred option, but you can use either one. And then you can just click on whatever key you want it to be assigned to. So I'm not going to click any key because I'll just click 9. So now my macro is bound to 9. So when I hold down 9, it should work. So this is what the macro should look like once you're done making it. Sometimes it doesn't register on Fortnite, but it really depends on how much ping you have. So if you have higher ping, there is a higher chance that it won't register because it's going so fast. You can also use this for floating people on a floor or editing a window on a wall. You cannot use it for edits like this. Now I'll show you how to make a different type of macro that you can use to go down this giant thing. I don't know what to call it. So for the next one, just click the add macro button and then insert, keystroke, and then put delay 0.01 seconds again. Your keystroke should be the key you edit with, so I'm going to put F, and then insert, mouse button, and put the mouse button as left click, and put the delay at 0.01 seconds. If you do not have edit on release on, then you're going to put your edit key just like this right after here. So as you can see, if we do this now, it should be a lot faster, I hope, unless we did something wrong. Yes. can also do it for these type of edits right here. Also, this macro isn't quite as fast as the first macro I showed you how to do. Isn't as fast at resetting it, but it is way more consistent. And you can make wood turn invisible, you can make brick turn invisible, and you can make metal turn invisible with this. This one is pretty fast too, but as you can see, not as consistent. So I would use the second one. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If this helped you, please subscribe. Peace out.